Hi everyone. So you have already read my title of this video, so you obviously know what the video is going to be about. I hope you're taking full advantage of this lockdown to spend more time with your family. For me, since it's been 1.5 years to my marriage, I have been using this lockdown to bond with my in-laws, and I am trying to spend more and more time with them. Lockdown has been helping me back to my hobbies as well.
Oh my god! Wow!
So without any further ado, let's get into the video. So on my food list, the first thing has to be Nutella. The last I had was in Italy. I was a huge fan of Nutella until I got married, since I was off sugar. Since its lockdown started, I have had cravings for it and I started looking out for it everywhere. बहुत ढूंढने के बाद मुझे फाइनली ये एक शॉप में मिला. It is also started having Nutella because of me. I prefer having this like after lunch or dinner. रात को mostly तो craving होती है, तो रात को खाते हैं, and I love having this with brown bread. I did try it with the tutti frutti वाला bread, but नहीं अच्छा लगा मुझे भाई. Brown bread ही चाहिए. This is, I think I remember getting this last month, और मैं इसको ऐसे खा रही हूँ, ऐसे चिंदियों जैसे, because मुझे वही डर लग रहा है कि ये ख़त्म हो जाएगा और मुझे वापस कहीं नहीं मिलेगा. But luckily, Papa, my father-in-law, got this new डब्बा for me today because he's like ये ख़त्म कर ले. डब्बा आया है तो ये वाला ज़रूर ख़त्म होगा आज रात. So the next thing is something जो बहुत पिया है हमने, वो है मोहितो. ये मालास का है. I don't know ये कहाँ से लिया है because my mom gave this to me. It's really nice. It has started and heat is so freaking too much to handle. We do try to have something very refreshing in the evening because बहुत ज़्यादा गर्मी हो जाती है शाम को और दोपहर को. So what I do is I crush like amount of pudina in a jar. Then I even crush थोड़ा बहुत lemon in it, and with the sugar syrup I add this, like thoda drops of this, some soda with ice. That's it, and you're good to go. Mojito ban gaya tumhara. After that, throw that jar in the refrigerator so that it cools for some time, and it's like very refreshing to have that because बहुत ही ठंडा होता है तो अच्छा लगता है. So the next thing is pasta. So we have tried all sorts of pastas in this lockdown: spaghetti, penne, fusilli, and now macaroni. It's just for those days when we don't feel like having a legit Indian lunch or dinner. I have tried all sorts of various recipes for these from YouTube, and all were yum. It is so perfect for a lunch or a brunch. My personal favorite has to be spaghetti or macaroni. I really like having the white sauce के साथ with mushrooms and spinach. This one is from Bluebird. If you want to see the recipes, you can go on my Instagram. You can see कि मैं उधर recipes डालती रहती हूँ जब भी मैं कुछ बनाती हूँ, तो yes, you can go and check it out. Next up is something which is my favorite. So if you follow me on Instagram, then you do know that I'm a big fan of Thai food and Thai curries especially. At least twice a month I make sure to cook a Thai curry for lunch or dinner, and lemongrass is the main ingredient for the Thai. You can use the leaves of these to put in your tea. It adds a very good flavor to your tea. Is from Kea. I have seen this on Amazon. Next up is this. This is Kellogg's ka Choco Fills. This is not something which is like a lockdown favorite or something, but yeah, it's been like a task to find this. I got this from Amazon. I'm just one of those who cannot have any other cereal but this in the morning. मुझे वो Kellogg's का कोई भी honey वाला या normal Kellogg's, I just cannot have it. So my morning breakfast routine is a bowl of cereal along with juice and fruits or dry fruits at times. Next up is I think everyone's favorite. Really like to munch on something और अभी मुझे कुछ फिलहाल मिल नहीं रहा था तो अब ये मेरा favorite बन गया है. These are the cheesy nachos. We tend to stay up late at night nowadays. We are either watching a movie or any show or playing games, whatever. So we need something to munch on because रात को बहुत ज़्यादा भूख लगी रोज़ रोज़ मैगी नहीं खा सकते. So I do like to have this with hummus or a cheesy dip or something. Let's move on to personal care stuff. Personal care stuff, the first thing has to be, I think for every girl right now, especially, it's going to be a razor. So this is the Gillette Venus razor. Since all the salons are closed right now and there's no way to wax, because I think waxing is better than shaving, but right now you don't have any option but to go for a good quality razor. So this is the Gillette Venus Green. Comes along with this aloe vera gel, kind of a soapy thing over so that it doesn't feel itchy. So this razor actually comes with the blade, but once you are done using the blade, when you see it's wearing, you just don't have to throw the razor away. The only thing you can do is remove the blade and you can throw that. You can get their blades at a very good price. You get 2 blades in a box. This was my last blade. I have to stock up on that right now because girls, you have to look after your hygiene as well. So the next thing is this wheat trimmer. I got this like years ago. अभी तो ये पुराना वाला version हो चुका है. There's a new version. I think this is also discontinued. Since again all the salons are closed, you don't have any option but to do your own brows. You do get those brow razors, but I feel this is much more comfortable and easier to do with. This actually helps to trim my brows and my facial hair very easily without any cuts or pains, unlike the razors. Yeah, but while trimming your eyebrows, be sure that you are doing it properly and you don't just go overboard. Set like comes with this bigger side and the smaller side, and this is another blade which you can attach to over here. It's for underarm. It comes with this tip so that you can close it, and also with this brush, so that once you're done with trimming and everything, you can just clean up any leftover hair that's in the trimmer. Next up, skincare stuff. Innisfree Jeju Volcanic Clay Mousse Mask. Since you're home and you're not heading out, that doesn't mean you just forget about your skin. You do need to take care of your skin as well. I do take extra care in summers, especially. I tend to break out a lot and have acne all over my face during this period. This is such a good mask. It gives your skin a clear and smooth texture. It also gives a little bit of glow, not much, but a teeny tiny bit of glow after you have washed your face. I have this masking group on Wednesday and Friday night, so this has been my best purchase so far. Okay, let us move on to movies and shows now. So since this lockdown has started, we have a movie night like every day. We try to watch movies or shows that we haven't seen before. There are quite a lot of favorites from each site like Hotstar, Prime or Netflix. So starting from Netflix, I think the first movie, it has to be Maska. I really enjoyed watching that movie. It's a Netflix movie. I really enjoyed watching the Parsi mom and son duo who run a famous Irani cafe. So the film is about Rumi, who's aching to let go of his family legacy to pursue his dream of becoming an actor. I love the way they have portrayed Irani cafes in this movie. Irani cafes, especially of Mumbai. The role it plays in everyone's life. Manisha Koirala plays a convincing role, the Parsi mother, Dinah. Let's take a touching twist of Rumi juggles between a cafe and career. To find out more about Maska, go watch it on Netflix. The next has to be a show from Netflix, which is the very recent Never Have I Ever. Okay, so the story is about this Indian family who moves to the US and they have a daughter, and now the daughter has grown up and the story revolves around her. Again, it's a Netflix series. It's such a good series. I completed all the episodes in like 3 days. The start of the series really made me excited to watch the entire show. The relationship between the father and the daughter has been represented very colorfully. I also liked Devi's cousin. Everyone has this cousin who we think is very saint but is very notorious behind everyone's back. But she is one of those girls who goes through a lot in life, is very respectful towards her family despite all the problems. Devi's mother is just like any other Indian mother. Also, the bond between the three friends is something I really liked. I did shed some tears in the end at the last episode. It got me all in. Yeah, it has some good lessons as well. So you should definitely go and watch this show if you haven't. Okay, so the next shows has to be from Hotstar. It's an animated movie that I watched, Onward by Pixar. It's a delightful fancy adventure movie starring voices of Tom Holland and Chris Pratt. Tom Holland and Chris Pratt as brothers who are on a journey to find out a spell to bring back their deceased father, who is partially visible throughout the movie, whose upper body is missing because of some blunder they did, because some spell went wrong. Tom Holland played a regular teenage boy who is so excited to see his father he hasn't seen ever, with the help of his brother Barley, who is a magic buff. They live in a fantasy modern world where people no more use magic. I love the message of the movie and brotherhood. I really love the movie and it's a must watch if you want to watch it with your family. Next up from Hotstar is going to be Angrezi Medium. It was Irfan Khan's last movie. He is one of my favorite actors. He just blends into all of his characters so easily, makes you fall in love with his work. He'll be missed. He was a gem in the crowd of those actors in Bollywood. The movie is about a father who is the only parent of his daughter. A hilarious film backed by some amazing actors who have impeccable comic timing to make you naturally go on laughing. So the story is about a father whose daughter's wish is to visit London for her studies since she was a kid. He owns a sweet shop and he tries to do everything to make his daughter's dream come true. Bond between a father and daughter is so beautifully captured. He wasn't there for a long time in the theater since the coronavirus just came in at that moment and the malls and theaters were shut, but yeah, you can go and watch it on Hotstar. Now let's move on to apps now. So one of my favorite apps right now has to be Ludo. I think every Indian has this app in their phone for it's such an addiction that you can actually play with your family and friends all the time inside the four walls of your house and playing with your friends and family. It's so good. We do have Ludo scene in our house since the lockdown started. So what we do is we play after our lunch or after dinner in the night. So yeah, it's quite addictive. So the next app is Calm. You can find it in your app store. The lockdown has started. It's despite of doing all the ghar ka kaam and all other stuff, it is hard at times to fall asleep at night. This app has helped me fall asleep with its stories. It is so interesting and calm that you will fall asleep instantly. I love listening to the sounds of water and bird in the morning. It's so calm and soothing. It also has a meditation guide. You can also take app. You can try the free trial. Would recommend this to everyone since we are stuck home and patterns are changing. So yeah, it's really helpful. So that's it guys. I hope you liked the video. If you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so that you get notified whenever there's a new video on my channel. And yeah, I'll see you next time. Stay safe, stay home. Bye.